Hello, welcome to Mr. Investing Lectures channel. Please subscribe, like and share the video if you find it helpful. IT is a great skill to have and can save you a lot of time and hassle. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use an ATM. The first step to using an ATM is finding one. Look for an ATM that is in a well-lit and busy area. It's usually best to use an ATM that is attached to a bank as they tend to be more secure. Next, insert your card. Once you've found an ATM, insert your debit or credit card into the card slot. Make sure that the magnetic strip is facing downwards and towards the machine. If your card has a chip, insert it into the slot with the chip facing up. Next, enter your PIN. Once you've inserted your card, the ATM will prompt you to enter your PIN. Your PIN is a 4-digit number that you chose when you first received your card. Make sure that you enter your PIN in the correct way, as you'll be locked out of your account if you enter it incorrectly too many times. To protect your privacy and prevent anyone from seeing your PIN, cover the keypad with your hand or another object while entering the numbers. After entering your PIN, the ATM will give you a few different options. You can withdraw cash, check your account balance, or transfer money between accounts. Choose the transaction you want to complete by pressing Enter. Next, enter the amount. If you're withdrawing cash, you'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Also, make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the withdrawal, as you may be charged an overdraft fee if you withdraw more than you have. Next, wait a moment for your cash. After you've entered the amount, the ATM will dispense your cash. Make sure you take your cash and your card. You can always withdraw to ensure the amount is fully charged or not. Use this to protect your bank account. Card before walking away from the machine. Don't forget to take your cash and card. You may then choose another transaction or end the request. If you want to complete another transaction, the ATM will give you an option to choose another transaction. If you're finished, choose the option to end your session. Also, don't forget to take your receipt. After when you have completed your transaction, the ATM will offer you a receipt. It's a good idea not to leave it, as it will show you how much money you withdrew and how much money is still in your account. And that's it. Easy to use an ATM. Beware of your surroundings when using one and never share your PIN with anyone.